Welcome back to another episode of Nicholas Tube HD. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos when they come out. So I just went to Target and bought some Pokemon cards. And I got my braces off, so I'm just going to go ahead and open them. So here's the little mini binder. Here's the mini binder. So there is one Vivid Voltage Pokemon card pack. So I'm looking for the Pikachu VMAX. Here's the code card. Yeah, here's the code card. Mudbray. Kip. C-Dot. The Sandile, Jokes, and maybe like a reverse hollow foil, and the rare is a Toucan, Leaf Energy, and Drone Rotom, and Swoobat. So, time to open up the Marshadow tin. So, I am opening. I really hope I get something good. So, taking off the card. Code card. Marshadow GX. So here are the pack of Pokemon cards. Crimson Invasion, Sun and Moon, Steam Siege, and Breakpoint. I'm pretty sure Breakpoint is an old one. Code card. So, Chikorita, Froakie, Clefairy, Growlithe, Clefable, Nulleaf, Puzzle of Time, Astromseas, Drowsy, Psyduck. So now let's open the Steam Siege. Okay, so I don't know what I want from the Steam Siege pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So Ponyta. So Ponyta, Ruffled, Larvesta, Jolks, Arnaldo, Tangrowth, Pokemon Ranger, Farfetch'd, Tangle, and Yamaga. So comment on comment on my first video if I got any Pokemon names wrong. Now time for the Sun and Moon Incineroar. I'm really hoping for Incineroar and Solgaleo. Guarantee I won't get 2 GXs in one box. So here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 2. Cutefly, Shorkamori, Bonus Wheat, Alolan Diglett, so Dratini, Dartrix, and I'm pretty sure the rare one is Butterfree. Butterfree, Dartrix, Hartima, Trainer Lily, Spinda, and Water Energy. So time for the Crimson Invasion. So code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Junko, Feebas, Stuffle, Mischievous, Chimco, Energy, Psychic Memory, Palswine, Desert Field, Hokomo, and Katurin. So, once again, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what do you want me to see next on my earliest video. Bye!